I'm Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. Let's get started with today's Minden, which is Fiesta sausage. So easy to make, you're not even going to use a fry pan. All you need to do is you start with these jalapeño chicken sausages that I got at Trader Joe's. 5 come in a package, so this is going to serve 5. They are fully cooked. All you have to do is chop them up, put them in the microwave, and they're done. Now what this recipe is a take on is that great potluck dish that everyone I know brings to potlucks, and it's the black beans and the tomatoes and the corn and the salsa, and you mix it all together and it makes that wonderful side dish. Well, this is our take on it, where you're going to make it into a meal by adding some protein. All you're going to do next is we microwaved some roasted corn. We're going to add it right here to our sausage. Wonderful thing about these bowls is they all come with lids, so they're great storage bowls too. So if you have any left over, you don't have to make a mess. You could just pop the Tupperware lid on this and put it right in your refrigerator and use it for the next day. Fresh cilantro chopped up. Black beans, I already drained the can. I just put them back in the can to make it easy. And then our diced onions. Voila! We're going to stir it all together, and instead of a side dish, you now have a complete meal. Nutritious, delicious, that you made in one bowl in under, 3 minutes. Stay tuned each week to our YouTube show on Mondays, where we bring you another recipe, and the whole idea is that you buy your ingredients on Saturday, cook along with me on Monday. We connect everything together between our webpage, which is www.mindens.com, where you can look up all our back recipes, and that gives you the nutritional information and the cost per serving, as well as our Instagram page, which is Mindens, and that'll give you sneak peeks all during the week to kind of lead you up to what we're going to make together on Monday. Stay tuned next week. What we're going to cook, I don't know, because we ad-lib and we make it up each week, because that's what Mindens is, taking recipes and making it easy for you, taking the hassle out of cooking so that you can enjoy the things that you like to do. Thank you so much for joining us, and this is Fiesta sausage.